Students, today's topic is HTML. HTML is HTML document structure. What is the structure of your HTML document? That will be HTML begin and HTML end. Start of the program and end of the program. Then head, begin of the head and end of the head. After that, you will get the title of your program and closing of the title, begin and end of the title. Now, then the body, begin of the body and end of the body, start and end of the body. Body is where you will write your program. Then after that, creating an HTML document. How you will create your HTML document? First of all, you have to open the notepad because we will write our program in notepad. Type the required program, means whatever you have written, whatever you have written your program, you have to type that on your notepad. Then after that, you have to save the file and with .html extension. This is an important thing. You have to note that when you will save your file, then you have to write .html extension of the file, but without giving any space. For example, file name is abc .html is an extension. So abc.html, that will be your file name. Then opening HTML document. Now you have saved your file. No, you have to open your file. First of all, open your browser. Whatever browser you have installed in your computer, open that browser, select the location of your file where you have saved your file. That can be in your folder or in the document or anywhere else in the other drive. Then after that, select the file and click on the open. The HTML file will open. But in this case, you don't need internet because you are working on computer, and with the help of browser will open your file. So you don't need internet. Internet is not required for that. The basic HTML tag, that is an HTML, means begin of the program and end of the program. It will indicate the browser. This is an HTML file and start of HTML file and end of the HTML file. Then the head. The tag defines where the title and the other description information will be appear on the head. Then again title tag, where you will give the title of your program. Then body, where you will write the actual program which you want to be displayed on your screen. Now here one example is given here. One small program is given. First is HTML, means beginning of start of the program. After that head, then after that title. Title is first HTML program and title is closed. Then head is closed, slash head means head is closed. Then body. Body means, I am again repeating, where you will write your actual program. In body I have written, body is a container element. After that body is closed. And last one, slash HTML, that means program, end of the program, means beginning of the program HTML and end of the program of HTML. After that save your program and open in any browser uh, to just get the output. Now here is the output. You will get bod is a container element. This is the output of your program. So this is the end of your slide video. Thank you.